In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Here I will be showing you how to replace the drive belt and tensioner on a 2008 Honda CR-V 2.4 liter. There are a few other makes and models that this video will also work for, including the Honda Civic, Accord, an Element, and some Acuras that I'll list below. So to get started, you don't have to raise the vehicle up, but it does make it easier taking the front passenger wheel off. The lug nuts are a 19mm. Then take these retainer clips off that hold this plastic shield on, and then you can gain access to the belt on the lower side. Now go back under the hood. We're going to be removing this bolt that holds the AC line in place. Then take the two bolts out that holds the power steering reservoir in place. Then you can use a bungee cord to bungee it out of your way. Then you're going to be removing this motor mount. So what you're going to have to do is take a jack and put underneath the car with a block of wood to hold the motor up when you take this mount off. So on this motor mount, there are two of them that are a 19mm and the rest are all 17mm. Take this motor mount all apart. It'll come apart in 3 different pieces. Then after you get that motor mount out of your way, you'll have access to get to the belt and the tensioner. To get the belt off, use a 14mm socket on a ratchet and pull towards the front of the vehicle on the center bolt on the tensioner pulley. You will then need to remove the two bolts that hold the power steering pump on. You won't be removing a line, so you won't leak any fluid out. These are a 12mm. Then for the bracket that's bolted to the block, these are a 14mm. There's 5 of them. Take these off, and the last bolt on this bracket towards the firewall won't come out, but loosen it up, and now you can use a bungee cord to put it up out of your way. Now to get the tensioner off, there are 5 12mm bolts that hold it on. 2 of them were removed when you took the power steering pump off, so remove the last 3, and then you can take your tensioner off. Here is the gates, belt, and pulley that you will need for this job. Now install your new tensioner. These bolts are torqued down to 40 foot-pounds. Reinstall the power steering pump, then install your new belt and do the same thing as before. Pull it towards the front of the vehicle, but with this new tensioner, the center bolt was a 15mm, and at this time you can go underneath by the wheel well where we took that plastic guard off, and you can make sure your belt is put on properly. Now bring this motor bracket back down and tighten up all these bolts. Then reassemble your motor mount. Then put your power steering reservoir back in place and tighten up the 10mm bolts. Then tighten up this bolt for the AC line bracket. Then reinstall that plastic guard with your retainer clips. Then reinstall your wheel. Torque your lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.